Okay, so we are now done in updating the names of the students. So this time around, so we're going to update their LRN and birth date. So as you can see here, so we're going to type the LRN on this particular names of the students. So for example, shall we say this is 12 digits, so it should have an apostrophe first before typing the 12 digits. Then the birth date should be mm/dd/YYY. So in other words, August 9, 2006. So as you can see there, it should be August 9, 2006. Okay, so yan po. So we're just going to change that one later. So by the way, if you're going to really to change this particular format, you're just going to format cells, then what we call this one, date. Okay, so you're going to type the other LRN of the different students. Okay, so on and so forth. So I am now done in what we call this one, updating the LRN and birth date of students. So we're just going to encode their sex, either male or female. Male, so from Agbon to Damian. So female from Acosta to Casayas. So that's it. Thank you.